Hi friend, this one is amazing products. It will become very easy to check have a baby or not. Many women like this one. We accept the OEM order. We have CE certification and ISO certification. For OEM order, we can produce according your ideas. If you don't have your order, you also can choose our Recare brand. We will give you the best price. I hope you can choose us to be your supplier for your brand. For Recare brand, the MOQ is only 100 pieces. You can enjoy cheapest price for small quantity. So get it, dear customer. It is inexpensive, but very high quality.